Welcome, my friend, to another Technical Tuesday on the Chef Lance Show. And today, you ever wanted to get all the air out of the bag to store something in the freezer or maybe do a water bath on it, sous vide style, but you don't have a vacuum machine? Today, we're going to show you how to take an ordinary Ziploc style bag and turn this to this near vacuum machine quality in terms of getting the air out without having one. So, water displacement method. We're going to show you that around the corner. Join us there. Welcome back, my friend, and let's get to vacuum packing this piece of salmon that I have in here in the Ziploc bag. So the first thing we're going to do, obviously, it's in the bag, it's open. This is the zipper kind. I think it's called zipper. There's also the kind that's got the press thing, it presses into the channels. If you're going to use that, get the one that's got two channels on it to, keep water out best you can. This is actually, this will work as well. So what we want to do first is we want to start by getting as much air out of the bag as possible. So I'm going to fold this over and press, and then I'm going to take my zipper and I'm going to move it to where there's only about an inch that is open here. So this is not completely sealed. I've got my water running, filling my sink, and we're going to use what's called the water displacement method. And so that's how we're going to achieve this. Very versatile. If you don't have a vacuum pack machine at home, then don't fret. This is not a vacuum, but it's pretty darn close. So we're going to go over to the sink. I'm going to show you how this works, and then I will see you around the corner. Okay, guys, we're at the sink, and the sink is, well, it's full enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and shut that off. This has got a swivel faucet. I'm going to move that out of the way for us. So just like we showed you, this bag is, I've squeezed most of the air out, and I've left about an inch opening here. It's sealed completely except for about an inch. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it down. This is the corner that's open. I want it above water, and I'm going to put it in at an angle like this. And as I do, I'm doing it slowly. There's no rush on this. That water will push all the air, or 98.2% of it, out of this bag, and you'll get a near vacuum bag effect. Now I'm going slowly, so you can see that the bag is squeezing together, and I want to make sure I keep that corner out of the water. Keep it above the water. And then I'm getting a little closer. I'm going to close it a little bit more. Close it more. And then when I get right up to the edge, I'm going to close that bad boy all the way. And what you have is an almost vacuum pack seal on this. Very little air left in it. You can now store this in the freezer with a reduced chance of a freezer burn. So this is not a vacuum bag, okay? So it's not going to achieve those results, but with a limited amount of storage, this is better than not doing it at all. So this is very effective. Gets you 98.2% of the way there. So anyway, that's it on the Chef Lance Show. I'm glad you joined us on this Technical Tuesday. And remember this, a day in the kitchen beats a day of working any day. So we'll see you next time on the Chef Lance Show. So welcome back, my friend, and